What's Grandpa? What's that? Something for B? What's that?
Is that an ark, buddy?
Look. Grandpa, what's inside there?
Whoa. Go check it out, bud.
Ready?
Ready? Open it up.
Oh, bowl.
Ooh, what's inside? Oh, animals. Can you get his face?
Animal.
Oh, fun animal. Look. Great Grandpa Pierce. He made that. Wow.
B, what do you think of the animals?
You hold my milk.
Thank you. I'll
Is
hold your
that
milk.
giraffe? Wow. And an elephant? Got a lot in there?
What else is in there, bud?
My favorite was always the gator.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't even know what that
What's
is.
that? Is that a giraffe?
Like a yak?
Looks like a giraffe. Or it might be a yak. Yeah, you're right.
Yickety yak. Down the track.
Do you have two?
Looks like we got a big wooden ark.
Courtesy of Great Grandpa Pierce.
Yay!
Oh, thanks, bud.
Oh, it was a horse.
I don't think.
The horse with the longest neck ever.
What else you got in there?
What else is in there, bud? Oh, fumble. That was my mistake.
Elephant. No, he's...
On bigger things. Alright.
Oh, that's.
What else?
Bud, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.